We are chosen and Mary from Nazareth. We have walked for 6 weeks to come to the city where King David was born, son of King. But it's late, and Mary and they have come with so many others because the Roman Emperor wants to count each one so he can take their money to tax. But it is late, and Mary is so tired. Where will we sleep? There is no room in the inn.
In the hills outside Bethlehem, shepherds watch their sleepy sheep. All at once, the dark is lost in light, and in the middle of the light is something even brighter, the faces of many angels. The shepherds are afraid, but then they hear music in the sky, and the voice clearly says, "Do not be afraid. Listen, I bring you news of great joy, a joy to be shared by all people. Today, in the city of David called Bethlehem, a Savior is born. He is Christ, the Lord." The shepherds ran with joy across the fields to Bethlehem, to the barn beyond the hills. There, they found the holy family and crept forward, overwhelmed with wonder to find baby Jesus in the center of all that love.
From far away, she comes part of the road to Bethlehem. We have come from the east, far beyond Arabian desert. Maybe from us the Sea, the camels carry chickens, the white ones are money. They are entering a great star, a star that made them feel as if it was leading them to something special. They are following the star, their clothes. One special event is the appearance of the small star. The king's journey ends in finding a new kind of sea. Their restlessness is always attack. The powdery meat are deeply bright, full sweet smelling pumpkin seeds, and bitter herb called meat. Give sweet rocks that far away with much light. Now let us all cry as if we are following the same wild star to find Emmanuel. God with us, freedom as people have come, all through the ages, to bring our gifts to His child. God's gift to us. Come, let us offer our humble gifts. Let us offer our song.